Okay, I'm here in the outdoor testing studio with this really cool, I know I just said that, plastic drawer organizers. I did say they were cool. These things are amazing. This is a rebuy for us, okay? Nikki and I have an RV and we originally bought a set of these a couple years ago and we use them to organize everything in the RV. The kitchen utensils, my little tools, parts in case we needed them. Super duper flexible. Obviously you can put them in drawers and whatever. You can organize these. You can organize these however you want in the drawers. You can even nest them from time to time. I would do that. Look how nicely they nest and fit in there in case you want to be able to pull it out or organize a smaller area. So I'm taking those lessons that I learned in the RV where we had them in the kitchen, in the bathroom, my tools, all that kind of stuff. They were everywhere. They are still everywhere actually. So I needed more. So I went and I bought more and I'm going to use them to organize my toolboxes. I thought that was a great idea, especially nested like this because I can put like bolts, like decent sized bolts here, some nuts here, some washers there. Everything stays together but still separate, and I could customize it, right? I could decide I want another small one in there or another medium sized one. Really cool. They're super flexible. You could use them anywhere in the house. You could use them in your RV. You could use them on your boat. You could use them in your garage. I think these things are awesome and I thought I would come here to tell you that. Hope that was helpful. We'll see you next time.